Hey there everyone. In today's video we're diving into statping, an amazing tool for keeping tabs on the uptime of your websites, APIs, and other services. Whether you're managing a website or an app, statping alerts you if something goes awry so you can stay ahead of your users. Let's jump right in and explore how to set it up together. First, head over to launch.nife.io, or you can check description for link. Here in left navigation you'll find the marketplace. Think of it like an app store where you'll find tons of great applications. But for now let's focus on statping. Here search for statping applications. Once you've found it, simply click on deploy. That's all. Now Oikos takes care of the rest, so you don't have to worry about any complicated setups. Once the deployment is successful, we need to wait about 90 seconds for the DNS to resolve. I've waited over 90 seconds, let's open the link now. Now that statping is live, let's get it set up. Here let the database be SQLite. Just fill in the necessary details. Here, click on Save Settings. What you're seeing here is the default monitor that's statping. Let's head over to the dashboard. You'll see the dashboard option at the bottom of the page. Just scroll down to the end and click on it to access your dashboard. Sign in with username and password. Head over to the Services page. Here you'll find two sections, Services and Groups. In the Services section, you can add the services you want to monitor, making it easy to track different applications or systems. The Groups section lets you organize these services, helping you manage and monitor related ones more efficiently. Time to clean up. Let's remove all the default groups and services that statping has provided. Now first let's create a group. Simply enter the group name in the designated field. Below the group name, you'll find an option to toggle public view. If you want the group to be visible to everyone, enable it. Then click Create Group. Next up, it's time to create a service. Hit Create, and enter the service name. For service type, selecting TCP service since I want to monitor my backend. In Group field let's attach group which we have created earlier. In public service, you can enable or disable visibility, determining whether it's public or private. You can also adjust the check interval to determine how often statping checks. In the Service Endpoint section, enter the IP address of the service, and specify the port number where your application is running. In the Notification options, you can enable notifications to alert you when the application is down. Additionally, you can adjust the failure rate and also enable continuous notifications to receive alerts when service is failing. Once you've configured, click on Create Service. Now let's refresh the page once. You should now see the added service is online and being monitored, meaning everything is set up correctly. Next, check out the Users page to invite some team members. Here you can add another user to your account. Just enter the username, email ID, and password for the new member, then click Create User. Once they're added, share these credentials with your team, giving them access to the statping dashboard to monitor services as needed. Next, check out the Announcement section. This space is dedicated to keeping your customers informed about important updates, like scheduled maintenance or service downtime. You can create announcements to notify users in advance, ensuring they stay aware of any potential disruptions to the services they rely on. Now navigate to the Settings page. In the sidebar, you'll find the Notifiers section, your gateway to integrating various notification options. This feature lets you select multiple ways to receive alerts about your services. For instance, if you're a Slack user, you can easily create a Slack webhook URL and enter it here to start receiving notifications directly in your channels. Plus, there's an option to integrate notifications with mobile devices, supporting both Android and iOS. This way you can stay updated on your services no matter where you are. Next, navigate to the Logs page where you can view the logs generated by statping. This log offers valuable insights into the application's activity, highlighting any errors or important events that have taken place. In the Help section you'll find helpful product documentation for statping. It's the perfect spot for assistance or exploring advanced features, with detailed guides to help you make the most of the platform. Now let's return to the dashboard. Here you'll find all the services you've added, along with their current status. This provides a clear overview of your monitored services, making it easy to track their health and performance at a glance. This quick demo on statping has come to an end. We hope you now have a better grasp of how to set up and monitor your services with statping on Oikos. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out. We're here to help. Contact us at hello@nife.io, and we'll be happy to assist you.